Next entry is entry number 31, Maura and Sibulo, National High School, San Isidro, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Principal, Eva Evasco. Entry number 31, Maura and Sibulo National High School, San Isidro, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Jacqueline M. Cañas, Corps Commander. Gian Andre Nepomuceno, Corps XO. Arian Joy Artana, Corps S1. John Luis Estay, Corps S2. Antoinette Sibulo, Corps S4. Kent Leonard Mojico, Corps S5. Majoress Leader, Johanna May de la Cruz. Band Leader, Gerald Morania. Company Commander, John Roel Moises. Company XO, John Rafael Junio. First Platoon Leader Boys, Vicente Rifarial Jr. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cristel Ann Norioste. CAT Facilitator Commandant, Maria Carmina V. Adriano. Band Advisor Coordinator, Jordan Deo Villaranda. Majorette Trainer, Hasmin Mojico. Entry number 31, Maura and Sibulo, National High School, San Isidro, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 31, Maura and Sibulo, National High School, San Isidro, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 32, Goa National High School.